As millions of people have adjusted to remote work, a reliable home network has become more important than ever, and, therefore, so has a reliable router. A consistent connection can handle Zoom meetings, video uploads, and streaming presentations without buckling under the high bandwidth. Often, when your home network fails to deliver the speeds your ISP promised, a new and improved router can help quite a bit. The stock router you can get when signing up for Verizon Fios pales in comparison to the best routers on the market. If you need a way to make the service work for you, the best routers for Verizon Fios can deliver higher speeds across many more devices and may help as much as upgrading your plan. Number 1. ASUS RTAX86U Wi-Fi 6 Gaming Router. If you're looking for a powerful router that provides an outstanding balance of speed, technology, and features, the ASUS RTAX86U is tough to beat. This dual-band router features Wi-Fi 6, 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, and supports mesh networking, so you can easily create a whole home Wi-Fi network that reaches every room of your home. The ASUS RTAX86U also supports a mobile app to easily control settings, 3 amplified antennas, beamforming, and adaptive COS, quality of service, which lets users prioritize specific network traffic, like streaming video and gaming. Speaking of gaming, the router includes a dedicated gaming port that automatically prioritizes any wired devices connected to it. If you play online multiplayer games, this is a great way to ensure you get the fastest, most consistent connection. Number 2. ASUS AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 Gaming Router, RTAX88U. Game consoles and computers require a strong, stable connection, so it makes sense to wire them up if you can. The ASUS AX6000 offers a whopping 8 gigabit Ethernet ports so that you can wire up every nearby console and gaming PC without an issue. For everything else, the dual-band router can move up to 6 gigabits per second bandwidth, covering a 5,000 square foot home. It's a router for a big home network. The AX6000 also offers advanced features, including iProtection Pro, which blocks malicious websites and protects your devices from malware and spam. If the system detects that a device has been compromised, it will prevent your device from making an outbound connection to transmit your sensitive information. Finally, the AX6000 features adaptive COS and prioritizes specific devices, like your game consoles and PC. That way, your games will still run smoothly if your network gets temporarily overloaded. Number 3. TP-Link Archer A20, AC4000. For those who spend nights and weekends binge-watching shows on Netflix and HBO Max, the TP-Link Archer A20 should be on your wishlist. The tri-band router supports up to 4 GB bandwidth and 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, giving users plenty of flexibility to plug in TVs, gaming consoles, and set-top boxes. The Archer A20 also features a 1.8 GHz processor, 512 GB of RAM, which helps keep everything running smoothly. It also features range boost technology that provides a more consistent, lag-free connection in the far corners of your home. The TP-Link Archer A20 also supports beamforming technology, which focuses wireless signals toward a specific receiving device. It also features MU-MIMO, or multi-user, multiple input, multiple output technology to facilitate communication with multiple devices simultaneously. These features make the Archer A20 great for homes full of streaming devices, ensuring no one has to suffer through long bouts of buffering. Number 4. Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6E Router, RAX 500. If you want to prepare for the future of Wi-Fi, the Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6E offers 6 GHz support, which will open the door for speedy close-range connections in new devices soon. Featuring support for the new 6 GHz band and coverage of up to 3,500 square feet, the Netgear Nighthawk RAX 500 is one of the most future-proof routers you can buy right now. The Wi-Fi 6E router supports up to 10.8 gigabits per second bandwidth and a whopping 60 devices, perfect for homes with multiple smart home gadgets. It includes 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, a single 2.5G multi-gig port for supporting speeds between 10 megabits per second to 2.5 gigabits per second, and a quad-core 1.8 GHz processor with 1 GB of RAM. There's also a Nighthawk app for easy setup and access to parental controls and advanced security features to keep your household protected. Fittingly, Netgear's futuristic router features a futuristic design, giving it a sleek look to match its powerful features. These are just a few of the reasons Netgear routers consistently rank among our top picks. Number 5. TP-Link Archer A7. The TP-Link Archer A7 is impressive for a sub-$100 router. It supports up to 1.75 gigabits per second of bandwidth across 2,500 square feet. This gives users plenty of flexibility to stream over Wi-Fi and hardwire devices that might benefit from a more consistent connection, like a PC or a gaming console. The TP-Link Archer A7 also features an app for more granular control over the experience and TP-Link One mesh support, allowing users to quickly set up a mesh network for whole home coverage. Unfortunately, the Archer A7 doesn't support more advanced features like beamforming and MU-MIMO, but the router still offers plenty of value for the price.